Besides angels existing in this world, we have another entity known as a demon. Ooh, kind of spooky, but they really do exist. Not the ones that you see in Hollywood, or in pictures, or in any other production. But from our sources we know that there truly are demons. But they don't come from a place called hell. They're actually other souls that have passed from this world, but who were so negative in their lifetime that they can't even get into the gates of hell to be purified. Souls are now stuck between two worlds. They can't get into the upper world, they can't partake in our physical world, and they are stuck here. And these are known as Shadim, the demons that are so evil that they have to wait to the end of time before their correction can be made. There is another demon also known as a Dibuk. A Dibuk can actually inhabit a body if you leave an opening for them. So remember, there are evil forces in our world and dark forces. Shadim and Dibukim. These are two types of entities you don't want to meet on a dark night. And you never want them to come into you. They can only affect you if you invite them in. So never open up the possibility of a demon visiting you. You don't want to meet it.